Has a nice green shirt, bro. Oh, and green pants. Looks kind of funny with his mullet. Go, go, go. A little zappy zap. Looks like these guys aren't doing too much. Hitchhiker hopefully is trapping this. Oh, nice. Yeah, I think these are new victim players. Don't know how many points. Oh, one of them got something open. I wonder where this hitchhiker put his traps at. Container bridge. Exterior. They got a little bit of points now. Virginia's on right, Jen.
Back here at the battery. They're back here.
Connie's in the middle. By the shed. She's running to the well. She went down the well. Yeah, Virginia's over there. Yeah, there you go. Ooh. Here, I'll break this barrier. Nice, dude. This Virginia's trolling, dude. What the fuck? Good job, Leatherface.
That's a good job.
I don't know what this Virginia is doing. Just trolling, I guess. Oh, I think there's someone in here. I saw someone, I thought. Who's left? I thought it was Connie, but
Got all my traps set in the back, so if anybody gets snagged, back on the battery.
oh, they got a basement
Oh shit,
open.
basement.
Oh, it's in the front. Okay. I gotta rip stall it real quick. Connie's in here on the house. Shit. That was a bad move. Damn. I ran out of stamina. Fuck. Rip. Not one of my better moments. Definitely.
Gotcha, bitch. Gotcha.
Nice. Okay, not bad. We got a 3K. Pretty good, pretty good. Not too bad, not too bad. GG. It's so dark. I know where to put these traps. Alright, looks like these guys are gonna be zooming. We actually had a couple pretty good games today, not bad. Got some kills. Had some pretty good teammates today, actually, too. Huh? we have a Leatherface or a Johnny? Leatherface, okay. So we got 2 big boys and a cook. You know what I don't know is where... Oh, the fuse is up top and the pressure valve's over there, okay. Okay, I mean, actually, I think this isn't too bad. The hell. Cook's watching the house. And it's so hard to see. We're guarding pretty good though. I mean, I can see a lot here. I can see the fence lighting up, the generator, and the door and stuff here. It's just really hard to see though. So I think the resolution helped. Oh, is this open? Ah, fuck. Connie's on the battery side. She's running back out. Connie's running in the middle. She's coming through the crack. Okay, I guess I'm just missing every single swing. Hello? She's going through the middle. Alright. I don't understand. Well, hopefully no one's in there. Wait. Oh my god. Well, should they turn the generator off too? Generator is on. Nice. Now I can't run back down. Cool. I gotta go through here. Ay, dude. We need to get Grandpa to level 3. I think we're gonna lose this one. Rip. What's up, bro? Yeah, we're not feeding Grandpa good enough. Well, GG, I guess, Rip. Unlucky, bro. Yeah, this map's too big. Let's see, turn it on. I don't know if there's anything I could have done differently here. This is unlocked, isn't it? Yeah, it is. They're on battery side. Motherfucker. Got you that time. How does that miss? Okay, that hit. This is bad. I'm gonna be honest, these guys are very coordinated. It's kind of weird. It's a little weird. It's a little weird. Just a little weird. Not a lot weird, just a little bit. Can one of you guys watch Battery real quick? Oh, you guys are both in the house, okay. What the fuck? Yeah, I just gotta feed Grandpa real quick so we get the alarms up. Yeah, the Connie keeps going for the battery side. It's like the third or fourth time now. They're on Grandpa. Dude, where is our Leatherface? Why is he all the way upstairs? Yeah, we need Bubba bouncing between everywhere. He's the fastest. I don't think he should be staying up there. Yeah, if one of us, or if we're gonna watch, should be me and Cook. I don't really know why the Bubba's going in the basement though, but yeah. I'm actually kind of surprised I haven't tried doing kind of surprised I haven't done the pressure valve yet. Maybe because I'm hands. I don't know. Yes, Bubba and what's his name don't have a mic. This Bubba was like taunting with his chainsaw, lol. These guys aren't a 4-man or a 3-man? At least a duo? They seem like they're at least a duo, right? One's kicking the generator. This Connie is jamming, not gonna lie. She's trying to go battery, then she's trying to go generator. She's doing work, I ain't gonna lie. Connie's going to a little shed over here. She went through the crack. Dude, why is the Bubba in the house? Dude, where the fuck is this Bubba at? Like, I appreciate the enthusiasm, but like, why the fuck is he in the basement, dude? Good job. The last one's over here by the sliding door up top. Bubba, get out of the basement, please. Fuck, dude. Why is this guy still in the fucking basement? He should be over here somewhere by the sliding door. It's so dark over here, I can't see shit. Dude, what the hell? He was like literally just over here. Oh, he's on Grandpa? You going to the house? He's probably gonna go downstairs again in the basement. Good job. GG. Alright. I mean,